Hey, did you hear about Jimmy Uso's injury?
Yeah, but what does that have to do with me?
Now his wife Naomi needs a new partner in the Mixed Match Challenge tournament. As a reminder, the winners get to be co-GMs of SmackDown for one night. So are you interested in taking his place?
GM for the night? Yeah, I'm in.
All right, I'll make it official. And you should probably go talk to your new partner when you get a chance.
What's up, new partner?
So you heard, huh?
Yep. I was pretty bummed when Jimmy went down, but we can still make the best out of a bad situation.
Where are we at in the standings? I haven't been following the Mixed Match Challenge too closely.
Seriously? Come on, man. There's no time to play catch-up. The playoffs are about to start, and we gotta face Miz and MyRise.
Okay, I got it.
You better not screw this up for me. I have big plans for when I'm GM for the night.
I want to be GM too, so don't worry. I'll hold up my end of the deal.
These two? Together? My wish just came true!
The following contest is scheduled for one fall on the way to the ring. At a combined weight of 400 pounds, Maverick, Peter, Mitchell, and Naomi.
I am so excited to see these two work together. Two of my absolute favorites are teaming up. Yeah, the WWE fans going crazy. My two favorites are together.
And their opponents, at a combined weight of 337 pounds, the Miz and MyRise.
Two of the very best at doing whatever it takes to win. I think we're about to see some brand new ways of cheating. Iron sharpens iron, Saxton. Welcome to the playoff round of the Mixed Match Challenge as Naomi and her replacement partner take on the It Couple, Miz and MyRise.
Difficult task to step in and team together for the first time at this stage, let alone against opponents who know each other so well.
Yeah, Miz and MyRise are married, Saxton, so I'd say they know each other very well. It's going to be an uphill battle to defeat them and advance.
Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a rag doll here.
Really just laying it in. Miz gets out of the way.
He's taking some good hits.
Running knee.
Well, that's one way to leave the ring, I suppose.
That's a well-placed punch. Uh-oh. Face full of turnbuckle. Big punch finds its mark.
He's able to fend off the attack.
Big hook. Down on the windpipe. Hellacious power slam. He's starting to struggle here.
And yeah, it's about time to heavily consider tagging in that partner.
Sleeper slam.
He tags out, so now the women are going to go one-on-one.
Bam, what a slap. Kick to the gut. Oh, smash. Just hot shot it to the outside. Face buster. The face has been planted. There it is.
That's going to hurt.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm. MyRise with a great shot. And MyRise is taking control in this match.
Yeah, MyRise is really remaining the aggressor here.
Oh, foot right in the throat. Brutal. She's in danger of a count out here. I don't know if she cares. Isolating the arm. And she's able to fight MyRise off.
Naomi managing to find some of that needed breathing room.
Could be the turnaround Naomi needed in this match. Looking to take flight here. Look at this. Oh, and a backbreaker. Right to the spine.
Watch out!
Bloody bulldog. She'll get sent out the hard way. Uh-oh. Oh, God, that's a bad landing. Wildly throwing your body out of the ring like that is more often than not going to provide such a result.
That was an example of boldness backfiring.
All right, sliding back in. Nice down kick, great elevation.
Quick sidestep by MyRise.
Unbelievable athleticism. The fatigue is setting in for her. Single leg drop kick, and MyRise can't stop any offense coming her way.
MyRise needs to find an opening fast. Evades the attack.
Quick thinking from Naomi.
Naomi managing to find some of that needed breathing room.
She's showing it's not a time to lie down. It's a time to fight back.
Naomi is ready. She knows exactly what's next.
Naomi! Feel the glow! There it is. It is. It's locked. And for some reason, she lets go of the hold. Could have just been a tease of the potential agony that's yet to come. Swanton. Momentum is really on Naomi's side. Naomi can't be stopped right now. Around the neck. Into the... Here's the cover for the win. Naomi gets a 1 count.
She's not done yet, but you have to believe that she's still in all sorts of trouble here.
Added damage. Hurricane Rana. Unbelievable athleticism.
Maryse.
And she's able to fight Maryse off. Falls over with a big one in the face. Buster!
You guys are just having a great time, aren't you?
Yes, we are.
That'll mess up the back of your neck.
Kick by The Miz. DDT.
Chase.
Taking flight.
Here he goes for the win. Then he closes it out. He gets the kick out after the one.
Surprised to not even get a 2 count at this point.
His defenses have fallen, and soon he may too.
There is no way this can go on for much longer.
And scene.
Let's go. Crushing finale.
Hit that just as hard as his opponent does.
Cover. Oh, no. I thought it was over.
Oh, grief, this is chaotic. Come on, ref.
Big knee buys him some time.
Working the midsection there.
Face first into the snapmare driver.
Sleeper slam. Tough spot for the Miz. Reality setting in. Miz counters with an attack.
A counter answered by another counter.
Puts the rope. Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
She's pushed into the corner.
Stomping away.
Maryse is out of the way.
She's starting to drag a little bit.
This is what the purpose of a tag team is. Don't be afraid to use the resources and help your partner offers. Am I being diplomatic enough?
Calf kick right on point.
Maryse is being stopped. Dangerous situation.
Feel the blow.
Here it is, cinched in. Trapped and nowhere to go. Tap out. Got it. There's the winners of the tag match.
Here are your winners, Maverick, Peter, Mitchell, and Naomi.
Now we know who the better man and woman are. What a mixed tag match.
Put that match in a museum or a textbook so future teams can study to learn this craft.
I don't know which of these two I can't stand less.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 400 pounds, Maverick, Peter, Mitchell, and Naomi.
It's great to see a mixed tag team who have similar philosophies when it comes to competition.
And that's what this match is all about. These two superstars now carrying their spirit of competition together. It's the international sensation, Paragon Jay Pierce.
And from Arlington, Virginia, weighing in at 235 pounds, Paragon Jay Pierce.
Look at this confidence. Nobody in WWE is as as comfortable walking to the ring as Paragon J. Pierce. Well, let's see if he's as comfortable when he actually has to fight. Here we go. Let's see if Paragon can back up his big talk. Get ready for Josie Jane.
And from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, Josie Jane.
The WWE Universe has been counting the days, hours, and minutes for this match to start, and the countdown is almost over. Josie Jane looks ready to prove she belongs here in WWE. As this semifinal match gets underway, I'm still somewhat surprised to see Naomi and a replacement partner have advanced this far. They've won one match, Cole. I think their luck ends tonight against Josie Jane and Paragon J. Pierce.
Well, I know Jimmy Uso is home pulling for the underdogs, and hey, so am I. A Cinderella run like this is what makes tournaments so great.
What a clothesline! Ouch! Just sending a message there. He steers clear of contact. Drop down with a neck breaker. Into the corner now. Hits him with the counter. Stomping. Ouch. Able to evade. Clothesline. Someone call a dentist. He's looking a little off balance. He moves just in time. Oh, saw it coming. Great reversal. Uh-oh, this is not going to end well. Right across the larynx. Oh, my Lord! And Pierce is on the downside of things right now. Can Pierce recover from taking flight? Body splash. Got to find a way to get out of this. Snake eyes. He's absorbing some tough hits now. Yeah, this is exactly why constant, frequent tags are so important in a match like this, to keep fresh. Just turn that around. Oh my God, face first right into the buckle. He skirts away, living to fight another day. Covered with a clothesline. Oh, clothesline. Going up top. From the top rope. Missile drop kick on point. Single leg drop kick. She was clearly waiting for that. These guys have been looking to beat each other up for a while, and now it's their chance. No way. Astounding power. The days. Incredible. And Pierce is out. An exhausting
Mitchell, and Naomi.
And this mixed tag team proves to be a very effective one tonight.
I wouldn't have expected these two to perform well together, but they looked impressive in victories. This is just like the fan fiction I wrote.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 400 pounds, Maverick, Peter, Mitchell, and Naomi.
I love this. Two people who exemplify that you can try hard, never cut corners, and earn big things here in WWE.
Well, they say birds of a feather flock together. I just hope poultry's on the menu for their opponents tonight. A good line, Corey. I'm the best. The king of strong style has arrived. Yeah, get ready. We're about to see the brutal striking ability of Shinsuke Nakamura on display. Shin is a true international superstar.
And from Kyoto, Japan, weighing in at 220 pounds, he is the artist known as Shinsuke Nakamura!
I love how Nakamura always carries himself like a champion. Effortless charisma on display.
I say Shinsuke Nakamura is overconfident and selfish.
Oh, I say you're jealous, but that's okay. So is most of the WWE Universe. Shinsuke Nakamura, one of the most aggressive individuals I've ever witnessed. One of the all-time greats in the ring around the world. I can guarantee you one thing here tonight. Nobody is ready for Asuka. Many have tried, many have failed.
And from Osaka, Japan,
Innovative pioneer outside and inside the ring. In over 914 days without a loss in NXT and WWE. That may be the most impressive of all. The theatrics of Asuka are just a prelude to an amazing in-ring performance. Asuka, one of the most dangerous individuals in WWE today, is prepared to prove once again that nobody is ready for Asuka. The final match of the Mixed Match Challenge has arrived, where Naomi and her partner face a formidable challenge against Asuka and Shinsuke Nakamura.
They've been underdogs the entire playoffs and managed to advance this far. I wouldn't count them out here tonight either.
I will. No disrespect to the teams they beat to get to the finals, but Asuka and Nakamura are on a whole different level. When this is over, the Empress of Tomorrow and the King of Strong Style will be walking away as co-general managers of SmackDown. The reversal by Shinsuke Nakamura. Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Man, a little extra luster behind that kick. Nakamura escapes the attack.
Set him up, Russian leg sweep.
Oh, what a kick.
He's turning the tables. Right across the back. Whatever's playing here can't be good. Yeah. Oh, God, face first. Running knee. He is just reeling from that offense. Yeah, they stuck it out through this match, but it wouldn't hurt to go for the tag soon here.
Using the foot as a weapon in the corner. This is dirty.
Hits back against Nakamura. Just breaking down the opponent. Strikes with a kick. Tossed into the corner.
These women have been chomping at the bit, and now they're about to throw down.
With the lariat.
Watch out!
Running bulldog. Single leg drop kick.
Connects on the kick. Grabbing the arm.
STO. Kick right to the leg. Elbow smash. Sent out of the ring, not sure she wants to be here. This could be big. Going up high. She tags out, so now it's the men one-on-one. Ah, jeez. Nakamura style on display.
Here's a snapmare. Followed by a knee drop. A fracture in orbital.
The damage she's taken is starting to pay off. Able to reverse. Look out. No way. A slingshot somersault plancha. It's like a heat-seeking missile coming at you.
And the explosion occurring ringside.
He's got the answer for that one.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
He needs to find his way back into the ring.
The count just keeps going up.
Thanks for coming. End of days! Can that get it done against Nakamura? 2. You're looking at the winners of the Mixed Match Challenge Tournament.
Well, they were a patchwork team after Jimmy Uso was injured, but gelled enough to cruise through the playoffs and take tonight's final.
Let's not forget what's really important here. The winners of the Mixed Match Challenge get to be GMs of SmackDown for one night. That's quite the reward, assuming it's put to good use. I have no doubt they'll do just that. Congrats again to the winning pair.
Well, technically, I did it.
Seriously?
Relax, I'm kidding. We did this as a team.
Yeah, we may have been a last-minute thrown-together pairing, but it worked out okay.
So as GM of SmackDown, I know I'm gonna give myself a Universal title match against Roman Reigns. But what are you gonna do? Have a glow-in-the-dark match or something?
Funny, no. I'm going to get my SmackDown Women's title back. It's been too long since I've held gold, so thanks for helping me make it possible. And good luck against Roman. He's family, but I won't be mad if you're able to beat him.
So this is it then, huh?
Nah, I'll be seeing you around. Thanks again. I'm gonna go call Jimmy.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Universal Championship.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a reminder, the championship is on the line here tonight.
And in looking at the opposition, I can say that the champion will have quite the hill to climb in this one.
He has poured blood, sweat, and tears into obtaining this title opportunity. Now, he needs to close the deal and become champion. The head of the table has arrived. Complete domination of WWE. This has brought his family and the locker room in line. And we should all be thankful that WWE has Roman Reigns. The man who upholds the Anoa'i family legacy by any means necessary.
Roman Reigns always in tremendous physical condition, probably the best shape of his career, but now more dangerous, more dominant, and more focused than ever.
Will not relinquish his seat at the head of the table for anyone. Roman Reigns looking to continue expanding his empire.
Introducing the challenger from Las Vegas, Nevada, weighing in at 275 pounds, Maverick Peter Mitchell. And introducing the champion from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, he is the WWE Universal Champion, Roman
There's the Universal Championship, seen by many as the grandest accomplishment possible in all of sports entertainment.
Here we go with this Universal Championship match as the champion Roman Reigns defends against the SmackDown GM for the night.
Making this match was a given for the victor of the Mixed Match Challenge, but winning it will be a whole different situation.
Yeah, I'm sure the head of the table wasn't too thrilled to have to defend his championship under these circumstances. The frustration he's likely to take out on the challenger.
Taking flight, diving body splash.
Oh, foot just stomping down. Oh, kick to the face. And an answer for the big dog. Big elbow drop. Pow, what a shot. Elbow drop on target. Champ taking the worst end of the exchange.
Reigns able to sidestep. Big impact from the suplex.
Inelegant exit, but if it works,
Look out!
he knows how to avoid contact. You have daring, and you have stupid. That was stupid.
It was a daring decision that didn't provide the expected result.
Yeah, stupid.
Famouser.
Up and face first.
Flapjack.
Now would be the time for everyone to clear out.
Easier said than done. They are not concerned about anyone else's well-being.
Clothesline! Off with their head. Bang! And now the challenger looks to take control of Roman Reigns in this Universal Championship match. Yeah, a match he made himself. Really earned it.
Wait a second. That's Jimmy Uso. He's been out for weeks with an injury.
I'm guessing he's not here to congratulate his wife's replacement partner on winning the Mixed Match Challenge. If things had gone differently, this could have been Uso's championship opportunity tonight.
Look out. Roman Reigns.
Superman punch! It's all over. Roman Reigns has managed to hold on to his Universal Championship. Yeah, with a major assist from his cousin. SmackDown's GM for the night had everything lined up perfectly, but it all changed in an instant due to the returning Jimmy Uso. No matter what kind of temporary authority he has, it wasn't enough to survive a distraction and a Superman punch. I'm sure both of these men are going to have a lot to discuss with each other and Naomi.
making his way to the ring from Las Vegas, Nevada, weighing in at 275 pounds, Maverick Peter Mitchell.
When this guy hung up the pads and entered the ring, there was speculation he'd go back to football the second things got too tough.
He squashed those rumors pretty fast and displayed amazing dedication to his training at the Performance Center and fierce determination in his matches.
A competitor with his share of detractors, but he wants to prove them all wrong here tonight.
Welcome to the USO Penitentiary.
And his opponent, representing the Usos, from San Francisco, California, weighing in at 251 pounds, Jimmy Uso!
Jimmy and Jey Uso have single-handedly transformed the tag team division. If you ask him, what made the difference? What made you guys step up your game? Jimmy and Jey will tell you, it was the moment we decided to stop being what other people expected us to be and to start being who we are. It's not paranoia.
Both Jimmy and Jey have earned seats at the table with Roman Reigns, who has made both better.
Has Roman Reigns made Jimmy and Jey Uso better, or has Roman Reigns actually divided the Usos?
This match is underway as Jimmy Uso looks to get even with his wife Naomi's partner from the Mixed Match Challenge.
Yeah, Uso believes he did all the work to help get to the playoffs, and his opponent stepped in and reaped the rewards.
Uso was out hurt. What was his wife Naomi supposed to do? Just drop out of the tournament? Seeing her replacement partner made the best out of a bad situation.
Nonetheless, Jimmy Uso didn't see it that way and cost his opponent a Universal Championship match. Now they look to settle their differences here tonight.
Jimmy timed that one.
Caught square by the haymaker. Gotta look out for that right hook. And Jimmy able to reverse that. Oh, right to the kidneys. Golly. Ow! Now he's been put on the defensive. The tables there. Straight impact on the throat. Uh-oh. Look at this.
Uh-oh is right.
Fallaway slam. Tough position to be caught in here. Check your face after that one. Returning fire.
Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead.
Stomping down.
Ooh, sharp kick. Jimmy tied that one.
Soul kick. He catches Jimmy with a counter. Counter. Put into place.
An agile escape. Oh, wow. Jimmy Uso is a bloody mess now. And he said, you're not getting me with that this time. Ooh, stinging kick. He was waiting for him to make his move. Nasty knee. hazardous position as Jimmy gains his footing. About to rock bottom. Does Jimmy have any fight left? The cover. 1, 2, 3.
It's over. Brutality finally comes to an end.
Here is your winner, Maverick Peter Mitchell.
What an emphatic victory, guys. No contest.
That's why they call it light work, Cole. Barely even broke a sweat.